CNC corner connector cutting machine. Used for cutting aluminum profile corner connectors. Easy operation, reliable performance, advanced technique and convenient maintenance. Only one-time clamping. Can achieve continuous cutting for 6 meters corner section bar. The control system adopts PLC, high automation degree. Carbide saw blade, keep accurate processing, high precision. Linear bearing feed motion, small movement resistance, high precision. Automatic feeding system adopts 2 methods, single and circle. More choice, stable and reliable. The movement of clamping and cutting uses the pneumatic control system. Safety and reliability.